Yeah, hello everyone. The last class we already discussed minimization of Boolean function given minterms or max minterms using K-map. Okay. Now we are going to discuss if you are given the max terms, how to minimize the expression, how to represent the function for the max terms. The function f of x comma y comma z is equal pi of capital M. That is a pi of capital M means max terms representation. So that in three variables, because here x, y, z, three inputs means three variables. Just I am consider 0, 2, 5, 6. 0 to 5, 6. Okay. Now we'll see how to minimize the expression for this max terms. Pi of capital M, that means max terms representation. Okay. Here we know the places of the terms. So the places and everything is same. The function representation is different. The function representation is different. SOP and POS function representation is different. So remaining all same, 0 and 1. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Okay. Next the places are the, so this is the 0th place. Next 2 5 6 2 5 6. Now so like same mapping method is same. So here is that 2 is adjacent to 6. These two are mapping to each other. Okay, these two are mapping to each other. Again like same, the rows, 2 rows representation, single column representation. 2 rows there is no common terms, so we can left the row. So directly it is the column representation. That column indicates 1 0. Column indicates 1 0. 1 0 indicates y and z. 1 0 indicates y and z. Okay, so here it is y and z. How to represent? So 1 0, that means here 1 is indicated in POS function. 1 is indicated as with complement, 0 is represented as without complement. Okay, so 1 0, 1 is represented as y bar, 0 is represented as z. In SOP is the reverse. In SOP y z bar, y into z bar. Here POS representation total, the terms operand and operator will be changed. So here is y bar plus z, y bar plus z. Next one is next y bar plus z, means y bar only here, y bar plus z. In SOP y into z bar. Okay, that is the total complement. Now that 0 is adjacent to 2. Again this is adjacent to this one. So based on that, how many rows and how many columns are indicated? So single row, 2 columns. Single row representation is 0. So that 0 in POS, that is a without complement. So that is a x, without complement means x, and that column representation is 0. So that 0 is the positioner, z position, plus z, plus z. Okay, here 5 there is no adjacent term, we can write it individual. So based on the row and column, row is 1 is indicated as x bar, plus 0 indicated as y, plus 1 indicated as z bar. The function representation is f of x comma y comma z, product of sums. So that means x plus z into x bar plus y plus z bar into y bar plus z. Okay, 3 product terms. Okay, so this is the product of summation. Next, 3 variables function representation. Next one is, everyone understand? SOP and POS function representation. SOP function representation and POS function representation. Okay, next 4 variable K-map. 4 variable K-map. Now we'll discuss 4 variable. Four variable K-map. 4 variables means 2 to the power of 4 combinations. That means 2 to the power of 4 means total 16. That range is 0 to 15. Total 16 possible combinations. So the range is 0 to 15. Here the maximum value is 15. Then we can write it 4-bit representation. That means all ones. Here 0 0 0 0. Minimum is least value is 0. Highest value is 15. That means 4 zeros and 4 ones. Okay. How they are placed in K-map? How they are placed in K-map? Here also the function f of x comma y comma w, w comma x comma y comma z. So here we have to consider double x y z, double x y z. Okay. Here like same two variables. So what are the possible combination in row representation and column representation? Also two variable possible combination. Wx possible combination 0 0 0 1. So regarding 1 bit change, that we have to interchange these two positions 1 1 and 1 0. Like same, the column is also 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Okay. So according to the rows and columns, that we have to represent the min terms or max terms places. Suppose here it is the row indicates 0 0, column indicates 0 0. So 0 0 0 0. Next this box indicates row is 0 0, column is 0 1. Like same 0 0, column is 1 1. Like 0 0 1 0. So here it is the row representation is 0 1, column is 0 0. Like same row is same, column is variable 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0. Now the thought 1 1 is the row is same, that column is 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1. This box indicates 1 1 1 0. Next one is this is last row 1 0 is row and column is 0 0. Row is same. Next 0 1 1 0 1 1. Next 1 0 1 0. So according these binary numbers, what is the decimal number of each and every position? So 4 zeros means 0 representation. 0001 means 1. 00 11, that is a 3 representation. Next 0010 2. So next 4 5 7 6. Next 1100. So according to the 1100, according to the weighted positions, so 8421 code, 8 plus 4 12. So that is a 12 binary number. Next 13, next 15 14, next 8 9 10 11, 8 9 10 11. Okay. So these are the 4 variable positions 0 to 15, how they are placed. So here these two are interchanged, these two are interchanged, these two rows are interchanged, these two columns are interchanged. So that's why we will get the 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. So after 8 and 12th place rows are interchanged. That's why we can write it 12 13 15 14 15, 8 9 11 10. So these are the positions of the 4 variable K-map. Okay. Now we have to do some problems for the 4 variable, either it is SOP or POS. Everyone understand? So the places of the 4 variable 0 to 15 binary numbers. Okay. Like same here also the positions adjacent terms. Here the 0 is adjacent to 1. Next 0 is adjacent to 4. 0 is adjacent to 8. 0 is adjacent to 2. So the K-map condition is it mapping with only 1 bit change. So here it is 4 zeros. Here 00 10. Only the second position is variable. Remaining 3 positions are the fixed. So according to that, the 0 is adjacent to 2. 4 is adjacent to 6. 12 is adjacent to 14. 8 is adjacent to 10. Okay. That means entire. That means how 0 is adjacent to 4. 0 is adjacent to 4. 4 is adjacent to 12. And 12 is adjacent to 8. 8 is adjacent to 0. Next 8 is adjacent to 10. Okay. These two, how many bits are changed? Only 1 bit. That is the second position. 12 14. Only that second position is variable. 4 6. Only that second position is 0 2. Only the second position is changed. So this is adjacent to this one. This is adjacent to this one. This is adjacent to this one. So that means entire this row is adjacent to this row. Understand? Entire this row is adjacent to this row. Like same 0001. That means 1. 0011 means 3. So that means 1 is adjacent to 3. 1 is adjacent to 5. 1 is adjacent to 9. So here 1 and 9 are adjacent to each other because only that MSB position is variable. Remaining 3 positions are fixed. Like same 5 is adjacent to 13. 13 adjacent to 5. 13 adjacent to 9. 9 is adjacent to 13. like same 3 is adjacent to 7, 7 is adjacent to 3. Next 7 is adjacent to 15, 15 is adjacent to 7. Next 15 is adjacent to 11, 11 is adjacent to 15. So entire the row, the columns are adjacent to each other. 1 is adjacent to 3, 3 is adjacent to 1, like same 7 is adjacent to 3, 3 is adjacent to 7. So according to that, entire this column is adjacent to this column, entire this one is adjacent to this one. Okay, entire these two rows are adjacent to each other, entire these two rows columns are adjacent to, these two columns are adjacent to each other. So according to that, like same 0 is adjacent to 4, 1 is adjacent to 5, 3 is adjacent to 7, 2 is adjacent to 6, 6 is adjacent to 2, 7 is adjacent to 3, 5 is adjacent to 1, 4 is adjacent to 0. So that means entire the row, first row is adjacent to second row. Clear? First row is adjacent to second row. So these two are adjacent to each other. Okay, like same 4 is adjacent to 12, 5 is adjacent to 13, 7 is adjacent. So like same these two are adjacent to each other, like same these two are adjacent to each other, like same these two are adjacent to each other. Entire these columns are adjacent to each other, entire these two rows are adjacent to each other. That means the terms is also adjacent to each other. Okay, so suppose this is the first 1c, 2c, 3c, 4c. That means first column, second column, third column, fourth column. So 1r, 2r, that means first row, second row, third row and fourth row. Okay, so these two are adjacent to each other, entire terms, this all terms are adjacent to this term, and 2r is adjacent to 3r. Okay, 3r is adjacent to 4r, 4r is adjacent to 1r. Like same is 1c adjacent to 2c, 2c adjacent to 3c, 3c adjacent to 4c. Again 1c is also adjacent to 4c. Okay, understand? So these are the different adjacent terms, rows and columns representation. Okay, so next we will discuss what are the how to minimize the function. That means what are the methods to minimize the 4 variable K map, either it is SOP or POS. So